Welcome to Sambuq. The state of Maine seeks an eProcurement solutions and implementation services in furtherance of the NASPO Value Point Cooperative Purchasing Program. Our expert team has made the necessary edits, and here is an example of how our platform Sambuq.com meets the Category 1 requirements for implementation of a comprehensive e-procurement solution that meets the requirements detailed in all sections of the RFP and the RTM, including licensing and maintenance, implementation and deployment, and ongoing operations and support. Our team has taken this opportunity to demonstrate our platform's fully compliant capabilities for the e-procurement solution by taking this very RFP and creating a minimal, viable solution in a sandbox environment. Our response to this RFP has been generated via the platform itself and thus satisfies all requirements, functional and technical, that are listed in the RFP. The platform conforms NASPO's e-procurement solution and is ready now to be used by any state with minimal configuration and/or customization. E-procurement general functionality requirements. Sambuq electronic procurement solution is cloud-based with a software-as-a-service delivery model. Sambuq has out-of-the-box APIs to integrate solicitation requests for external systems. Sambuq eProcurement solution functionality for commodity code selection provides an interactive searching functionality that allows the user to search on keywords, commodity code, or a combination of both, with ability to search on partial values. This feature will also search the detailed fields associated with the transaction or document being searched. All e-procurement modules or tools in the platform have an attachment functionality with textual description for each attachment and with the ability to import and export documents in their native file formats. Platform provides workload management functionality that will allow a supervisor to reassign work to another user. Platform has a print functionality for the user to print any procurement transaction in the system. The platform uses state time zone standard for current date and time for all transactions with ability to change time zones for entities outside of the state. Our platform has inbuilt email messaging functionality that will provide the ability to communicate with internal users and external suppliers. Sambuq solution provides all data updates in real time. All data configurations, deletions, additions, modifications will take effect and be visible in real time. E-procurement functional requirements. Our platform provides the perfect end-to-end e-procurement, supplier-facing functions and solution. Sambuq.com platform is a web-based electronic procurement software solution which helps in the effective business enablement process, including efficient lead generation, solicitation tender management, procurement management, and customer relationship management. Sambuq Portal includes all supplier-facing functions for the e-procurement solution. Platform's dashboard, also known as the landing page, currently displays user ID, first name and last name. Platform's audit feature displays date and time of last login and date and time of the last password change. Platform has the ability to self-register and self-maintain an account for the e-procurement system. Registration process in Sambuq is very user-friendly and intuitive. Account creation is available for both offerers and offerees of services and will include account verification by administrator role, ensuring a validated, secure user environment. Sambuq has an exhaustive feature set to store supplier information, their services, along with relevant information in them. Sambuq uses an intuitive card-based interface for its procurement process. All procurement requests fall under the solicitation menu. The platform automates the process of requesting and recording information from suppliers. The platform can be used to connect with the right point of contact for the supplier's organization. The system has all basic information regarding a supplier and information that is publicly available. Platform allows suppliers to access solicitations, both invited and all others. Users can manage their organizations as well as list solutions and services within sambuq.com and respond to solicitations. Solicitations can be sent out either privately to a closed set of vendors or publicly to all vendors in the market. Surveys can also be attached to solicitations for effective and faster analysis due to structured responses. Platform has inbuilt ability to submit responses to proposals online for all active solicitations. Our platform has inbuilt functionality to generate email confirmation receipts for registration in the automated solution portal and includes email confirmation for proposal submission, proposal Q&As, and proposal clarifications and discussions if required. Each user has an inbox and an outbox where emails are stored and viewed. Potential offerers can view their submission progress via dashboard. The platform has ability to upload or submit documents, reports, and data in various formats. Our platform has an inbuilt share feature that has the ability to submit updated contract price lists and catalogs for review and approval by the state. Platform has the ability to request a contract modification for, at a minimum, an amendment, price increase, name change, scope change, or schedule change to the contract. Contract amendment forms, templates can be created and amended as required. Our platform's Compass module will enable suppliers to view, review results of solicitations and extract reports on the bid details, award details, winning bidders, etc., or procurement activity that has been completed and is currently underway. A complete audit trail will be recorded and stored in Compass for easy retrievals. Scores can also be displayed during results in order to assist the user in making final determination of the bids. Platform's inbuilt Compass module has the ability to retrieve and review awarded contracts. Users can create and manage customized business processes here. Platform has an inbuilt CRM called Sales that allows access to financial data. The Invoices module can be used to create, track, and issue invoices to customers, track payment status, payment summary, etc. The Sales module in the CRM will allow suppliers to submit order fulfillment status updates, including at a minimum order receipt acknowledgement, processing status, and shipping status. Our solution has inbuilt Stripe payment gateway integration, world's most successfully used payment gateway for e-commerce that includes credit card processing services. Stripe is a PCI DSS compliant financial provider that includes all major credit cards and digital wallets, including Apple Pay and Google Pay. Sambuq can also integrate any other credit card financial institution chosen by the state of Maine if Stripe is not the choice. Platform's feedback feature has the ability to receive vendor complaints and provide responses directly to the vendor complaints. Sambuq platform is a self-managed easy-to-use eProcurement platform that allows users to register an organization and participate in the solicitation process. The system has all basic information regarding a supplier and information that is publicly available. The platform also automates the process of requesting and recording information from suppliers. They can complete an online form to directly input information into the system and also upload documents. The organization details feature is inbuilt in the platform, where businesses can be created and managed along with user roles. The feature captures official name, address, email, telephone number, business type, classification codes, terms and conditions, etc., and can be customized further as required. Email address verification is a part of the sign-up process. The platform is built on open source technologies using responsive design with APIs built in to interface data. All automated verifications can be done through APIs. Account creation on the platform is currently via standard email registration, where a notification is sent to the supplier to confirm initial registration and confirmation acknowledgement of any subsequent changes to the supplier's registration account. Sambuq platform integrates with other eProcurement components like the CRM module to capture relevant supplier performance information, metrics, and automatically provide tracking, reporting abilities. Buyer portal. Buyer portal landing page is called dashboard in our platform that displays user ID, user first name, user last name, etc. The date and time of last login and date and time of last password change are currently logged in the audit feature and can be configured easily to be displayed on the landing page. Platform already has a dashboard feature that has access to various activities related to procurements. This can be personalized as required based on organization, user, security role, and applicable state agency data access rules. The platform allows unlimited individual business searches and unlimited searches by individual users who can use the platform at the same time. Easy advanced search facility within the platform will help users search, filter, and locate products and services based on name, address, or commodity code. Every account or business on our platform displays detailed information of the business, its fulfillment locations, addresses, contact information, commodity codes, certifications, licenses, insurances, etc. Sambuq eProcurement need identification functionality acts as a single point of entry for a user to initiate any type of procurement action. Sambuq eProcurement need identification functionality is fully configurable to allow the state to define various procurement actions. The various modules within our sales CRM, such as contracts, invoices, and products module, allows users to manage the post-opportunity sales processes such as quoting, invoicing, and recurring contracting, initiating a purchase request, initiate a contract, or request for contract or contract activities. Solicitations request module initiates a solicitation or request for solicitation. Each procurement action can be configured, allowing definition of conditional fields as required. B2B Enables team will help State of Maine with defining purposes for designs and validating compliance with policy mandates and determining if the procurement rules and policies satisfy the requirements. Sambuq eProcurement need identification functionality has the ability to define business rules for smart routing within the platform that will allow for procurement rules and policies to be baked in so the user does not have to know them. Our platform has the following in place: user agreements, privacy policies, mandatory fields for information that must be entered for each procurement and next steps, workflows and approvals, optimization by automating processes like data collection, data analysis, marketing campaigns, and other tasks that were previously done manually. The console module offers reporting and analytics to help users identify problem areas in order to improve them. The workflow module automated actions based on conditions within the data. The projects module allows users to arrange their organization's projects by tracking a number of tasks and allocating resources. Platform is role-based to ensure flexibility as well as control over the entire process. System maintains role-based groups and user access control based on business functional requirements. Users with the appropriate roles and authority can bypass the procurement action initiation functionality and directly access any of the procurement models available to them. Purchase request development. Users can create and manage purchase requests using the Canvas module equipped with a drag and drop editor. Workflow management. Platform's Compass module can provide a robust, configurable rules engine and workflow management capability, including ability to define required routing of work, approvals, vouchers, and a combination of these. The Compass module in our platform will enable workflows for procurement activities that has been completed and is currently underway. A complete audit trail will be recorded and stored in Compass for easy retrievals. This will be built as per State of Maine's requirements. Compass module can take care of any business process and can be customized as required. Purchase orders can be generated using the platform's console module. This can also be achieved via our sales CRM. Sambuq platform provides a Stripe payment gateway for use of payment to supplier for orders and will provide the ability for use of P-card. Platform can flag specific items that require attention. This functionality can be incorporated for purchase request types, contracts, and/or suppliers. All receiving can be reported by the console module. Invoicing. Sambuq Sales CRM has an inbuilt invoice module that has the capability to securely accept electronic invoices, provide support for individual order invoices and multi-order invoices, and have capability to establish business rule to workflow invoices. Invoices can be assigned to authorized users, edit view functionality of invoices, populates fields, providing a capability of viewing, reviewing, and approving invoices. Users have the capability of reviewing and approving invoices. All products, services, solutions catalog is available via our Solution Services feature. Sambuq platform provides the functionality to automate the entire solicitation process for both the buyer, analyst, and the supplier. All types of solicitations can be created leveraging standard templates and libraries. Solicitation responses can be generated for a specific solicitation request. Solicitations can be created, modified, and deleted, and supports most purchasing options, thereby automating the entire process. Managing bids and proposals are Sambuq's forte, and one where its real power, simplicity, is evident and effective. Sambuq uses an intuitive card-based interface for its procurement process. All solicitation requests are created through the solicitation request option. Solicitations can be sent out either privately to a closed set of vendors or publicly to all the vendors in the market. State of Maine can exhibit their solicitations in an electronic format for its procurement process. Sambuq eProcurement platform functionality utilizes templates to support an RFP solicitation format. These templates can be utilized to create separate cost and technical sections or components that can be published as separate components of the RFP and submitted by suppliers as separate response documents. Sambuq platform has a module where forms and templates can be created, defined, circulated, and assimilated. Our platform has the capability to display information in many forms, including documents, videos, white papers, etc. The eProcurement sourcing bid management functionality is available to all agencies or organizations and central procurement offices. Platform's roles feature can control user access through administrative role or other state-managed functionality. The listing and service request for solicitations can be built using the standard templates established by the administrator role and include the list of services needed or offered. All communication between parties takes place in the marketplace messaging service, both web and mobile. Solicitations can be shared privately with vendors through the inbuilt email messaging service. Platform currently has the ability to copy templates, and this feature can be extended to copy solicitations. All data, including attachments, can be copied into the new solicitation. Our solution has inbuilt assign feature that provides the ability to temporarily or permanently reassign work between users within the defined organizational hierarchy. Awards can be easily reviewed for bids after opening. This can be achieved using our score results. Weights can be used to automatically calculate the total value and show bid tabulation. Response weighting will allow users to change the weights of variable fields, so the data in the Reports tab will reflect targeted demographics. Sambuq solution allows users to include attached documents of any size or type to a solicitation with the ability to identify by attachment whether it is to be viewable by the public. Attachments can be published with the solicitation and is easily accessible and downloadable. Solution allows users to upload, download documents and other standard forms within the solution. Following types of files can be uploaded or downloaded: JPG, PNG, BMP, doc, PDF, text, PowerPoint, XLS, etc. Sambuq platform has the ability to include links to websites. Sambuq eProcurement functionality provides the ability to establish weighted scoring criteria for all types of solicitations. Scoring parameters are customizable per question or opportunity. Each question or opportunity in the application can be weighted, and the same can be used to automatically generate the score of an application received by the state of Maine. The system has inbuilt features to set weights and assess points values for questions or scores. Scores can be displayed individually as well as a summary. Platform maintains a list of all suppliers, and these will be made available in the procurement file in a printable format for all suppliers. Date and time module within solicitations features are inbuilt and disable late submissions posted after due date to prevent submissions after the due date. Our solution has inbuilt share feature where users will be provided with the ability to post solicitation documentation on the state's public procurement website. Platform has inbuilt active-inactive functionality to separate active solicitations from those that have closed. Our platform connects with any of the available communication solutions like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, etc. Our solution can leverage these plugins and also one-on-one chatting feature. The platform allows users to create and manage their electronic questions that can be submitted within the Q&A timeframe decided by State of Maine. Answers to these questions can be responded to electronically. Our source selection tool has a number of built-in features which include the ability to accept, ingest, and manage large volumes of questions submitted in response to both draft and final solicitation iterations. The entire Q&A feature is electronic with the capability of exporting to Microsoft Excel. Platform allows users to create, upload standard forms that can be used to manage receipt of questions. Answers to questions can be responded to directly from the platform. The console module in our platform will enable evaluators to view and extract reports on the workflows or procurement activity that has been completed and is currently underway. Sambuq solicitation questions received functionality allows for buyer analyst identification of which questions and responses can be viewed online to allow screening of any inappropriate or duplicate questions. Inappropriate questions can be viewed and deleted if necessary. Bidders can submit their proposals through a secure online system that logs all submissions, sends automatic receipts to bidders, and stores the submissions in a virtual lockbox designated specifically for your organization. Sambuq platform allows suppliers to submit updated versions of their bids. The Compass module in our platform provides a workspace for individual evaluators. Evaluators can input notes pertaining to a specific proposal without making the notes viewable to other evaluators. Platform's console module enables evaluators to view, review, compare, and extract reports on workflows or procurement activity and compare subcontract data across supplier responses. Sambuq utilizes an advanced analytic feature from the console module powered by Amazon QuickSight Analytics solution for advanced analytics including peer reviews. Platform has a print option to print responses and other documents as required. Contract management workstream. Sambuq Sales CRM is integrated with the need identification component of the system to initiate creation of a contract. All information entered in the need identification module will automatically carry forward to the contracts module in the CRM. Agencies or organizations can create documents, terms, conditions, and templates for their exclusive use using the contracts module. All vendor performance can be reported via the Compass and reports can be generated from the console module. Moreover, vendor performance surveys can be created from the survey functionality. Console module can be leveraged to create customized purchasing data analytics dashboards and reports. eProcurement technical requirements, audit trail and history. Sambuq solution tracks transaction activity to provide a history that includes but is not limited to creation, changes, approvals or rejections of the transaction. The data captured includes at a minimum date, time, user, action taken, status changes, content changes, and approval or rejection history. The tracked information is accessible to users by reports, a history page, or other option that is accessible without support from an administrator. All tracked data will be retained in a manner that is consistent with other data retention practices within the solution. User accounts and administration. Sambuq solution provides secure user authentication capabilities that are consistent with current security industry standards. The solution should have the capability that can address individual participating entity standards including user provisioning, two-factor authentication, single sign-on, federation, identity proofing, logging and monitoring, and password policies. We will leverage the built-in APIs and ETL to perform data conversion. Sambuq has built-in secure API endpoints for interface and integration. The platform can integrate with office automation softwares via secure APIs. Platform is built using responsive design and works on all mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, and likes. Sambuq also has a native app available for iOS and Android. We will ensure support for mobile devices. Sambuq leverages AWS data retention, archive, and purge policies that can be further customized to client needs. Platform has an MVP development test environment and UAT pre-production for load stress testing and production solution environments. These can be easily customized based on client requirements. Security requirements. Sambuq platform uses the HTTPS protocol and certificates. The platform is cloud-based and can be accessed from anywhere that has internet connection. Help desk services. B2B enabled team will produce user guides throughout the life cycle of the state's task. The first user guides will support and assist offerers and evaluators to manage and facilitate proposal submissions. We will provide training, FAQs, video tutorials, and an online virtual assistant chatbot. Each of these training support tools enhances submission and management of proposals. Our platform's user guides, video tutorials, FAQs, and the virtual assistant chatbot can be further configured to the state's requirements. Solution support. B2B Enable performs managed services on all our engagements. A typical engagement comprises of 3 to 6 months of configuration or customization of the minimal viable product sandbox in an agile development methodology and operations, support and maintenance of the implementation as the managed services post go live. Our proposed solution is a perfect fit for State of Maine's requirements. The solution is ready now to be implemented and we look forward to serving the state. Thank you.